Meaning of Lassa fever.
Lassa fever.
Lassa fever.
Lassa fever.
Lassa fever. Lassa fever is a viral hemorrhagic fever caused by the Lassa virus. It is primarily a disease of rodents, specifically the multimammate rat, Mastomys natalensis, which is commonly found in West Africa. Humans can become infected with the virus through contact with the urine or feces of infected rodents, as well as through consumption of contaminated food or contact with bodily fluids of infected humans. Symptoms of Lassa fever include fever, headache, muscle aches, vomiting, and bleeding from various parts of the body. While most people who contract Lassa fever experience only mild symptoms, some cases can be severe and even fatal.